From birds to flight. The Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright, were born in Ohio in America. They were inspired by birds flying. They always wondered if humans could fly too. They watched how birds flapped their wings, flew, and glided. It sparked their curiosity about how birds fly. After a lot of hard work and experiments, they invented the world's first airplane in 1903. It allowed people to travel to far off places by air. The Wright brothers' aspiration to imitate birds was fulfilled. Their achievement continues to inspire people to invent and create new things. Bright minds, bright inventions. Additions, bulb cuts through the shade, a world of light and hope is made. Bell's clear voice now spans the air. We speak with friends from anywhere. The Wrights took flight in skies so wide and brought the world a thrilling ride. Fulton's steamboat churned the tide. With every turn we dreamed with pride. So students, if you like this reading practice video, kindly consider subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.